горят воспоминания.
We won. Mr. Stark. We won, Mr. Stark. Look at me. We're gonna be okay.